this video, I'll be showing you around an app which I built under the 30 Days of Kotlin challenge organized by Google. The name of the app is Realstate on Mars, which you can see on your screen. The work of this app is to basically it is a fun app through which you can book your property on Mars. This doesn't really book your property on Mars, but yeah, it is a model like how there can be an app to book property. You can use an app like this to make a project through which you can book certain items and interact with the user. So let's look at the initial screen. Initially you will be seeing a blank screen which has some of the photos which are being loaded from the link which is there in the app. You will basically be getting the output from the that link in the JSON format, and those links of the images which we get in the JSON output are loaded as an images. Here, as you can see, the dollar icons, and the some of the images are without dollar icon. uh, these both are the categories for renting land on Mars, and the another one is for buying the land on Mars. We have also a filter here which says show all rent and buy. When I click on the rent, it will take some time to load, and it will remove all the images which were having dollar, and we will be seeing the images only which are available for rent. When I click on buy, it will show all the images which have a dollar icon, and which you can buy for yourself. When we click on one of the images, it will show the title, either it is for sale or for rent, and the cost which is there. So yeah, that's it for this app. I'll link the code for this app below in the description, which is basically the GitHub link for this code. Also, if you want a proper video on how I made this app, you can comment it down below, and I'll try to make a proper video around this. I'll also link all my social media handles below for you to connect with me and we can learn collectively. So that is it for this video. I hope you learned something new from this video.